remember that lahat ng mga partido na pumunta kay Marcos, I'm not saying anything against it. It is good. It shows the markmanship, target ng ubusin kayo. Pero ang nagpaiwan kasi, ang talagang nagpaiwan, whether most vocal or in some places, silent. Pero nandito pa rin sa opposition, ang PDP. Ayan. So, in a democracy, whether you like it or not, there has to be some form of dissent. Alam mo sa demokrasya, you define democracy. Sabihin mo lang, it's a system of government without dissent. And that is not democracy at all. Ang essence ng democracy is kung may gusto mong sabihin karamihan, kisihuda kung 1,000 kayo, magsabi ito, at may isang tao na magsabi, hindi tama yan. That is democracy. But kung magsabi that, hallelujah, that is dictatorship. Kaya kailangan tayo, nandito man tayo ngayon sa, hindi man tayo identified. Well, you had that your heyday. I was the president a few years ago, and I hope na nakatulong ako sa inyo personally. But if not, then I hope that you'd recognize my effort really to just run government in a most regular way. Huwag na yung extraordinary. Regular na lang tayo kasi yun naman ang kaya natin. So, nandito tayo uli. Nandoon lahat. Nandoon lahat ang partido. At alam ko matutunaw yan. At the end of Marcos' term, magre-regroup pa yan. Mag-aaway pa yan. While ang PDP, established na tayo, wala na tayong pag-aawayan. Yan ang totoo. At wala tayong sinusunod. But there has to be somebody on the opposite side. Ang tawag niya normally is opposition sa politika. Pero in a body politic, sa governance, in a democracy, kailangan talaga merong sa kabila. Because the checks and balance will come whether you like it or not. Because governance is not an easy thing. It's a gamot of so many things sa buhay ng Pilipino, ng isang community, country, na maraming problema pasok-labas. And somebody has to attend to the problem, solve the problem, but then again, there has to be somebody which says that you are doing it right or you are doing it wrong. Because we have to protect the people of the Republic of the Philippines. Yun naman ang role natin. Hindi natin masabi, Mr. President, Mr. Marcos, I do not agree with you. You correct yourself in 1 month, otherwise we go to the rebel side. Hindi po din ganun eh. Democracy is a checks and balances. So you check and you balance everything. And it is up to, nandiyan nga yung press freedom. What would carry the voices of yung administration, pati yung opposition, would be the freedom of the press as guaranteed. At importante talaga yung press. Whether sometimes they are biased or not, but you have to give them the highest of respect because they carry the voice of the people, whether it is in the minority or the popular side of things. That is how it works. Ngayon, having said that, maraming malapit naman ang election. PDP is always, ewan ko kung bakit, pero maybe because hindi tayo nasanay sa pera. Ang PDP from the start, whether it was really intended o not intentional, ang PDP started talagang kantang poor boy. Wala masyadong pera, struggling, started from Cagayan. Ang PDP talaga was founded by men run only prinsipyo. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong nakitang taong politiko dito sa Pilipinas na nagsabi, Mayor, pwede ba akong mag-join ng PDP? Always mag-gravitate yan doon sa presidente. But after that, kagayo ko na PDP ako, maraming nag-join. Masaya ako. Pero nung hindi na ako na presidente, iniwan na ako. Hindi na ako masaya. Ganon talaga. Pero yung mga tao na PDP noon at nagpaiwan hanggang ngayon, putang ina, ang laki ng respeto ko sa inyong sumasalubo. At kung sakali tatakbo man kayo, sabihin ninyo wala kay pera, we will raise the money. Kasi more or less, hindi tulong na under the table. Yung tulong na nagtayo ng mga, itong malalaking multinationals. Pwede man ako maghingi na sabihin na, sponsor lang ng isang merienda ng kandidato. O kung mayroon kang malaking budget dyan, maski 50 million, okay na yan. Tumutulo itong yawa na ito. Sino ba may-ari nito? Ito, ihi ng tike o... Amoy babae. May second floor siguro ito.